if you don't care about me. I will care about you, 'cause we all gotta make it through this shit. I don't care if you don't care about me. I will care about you, 'cause we all gotta get through all of this.
Hey, what's up, candy babes? Welcome back to my channel. It's Tammy X of the Rebellion here. I'm doing my happy dance, and I'm back today showing you guys how I install my unit that I made, my peppermint unit. So first we're gonna jump into me sewing my unit down and doing my ball cap method. Now, I am a professional hairstylist, however I'm not used to doing installs, so this is probably like my first of many few installs. I think I did an install on my Melanie Martinez video, so if you'd like to see another one, I'll be sure to link that one as well. But this is going to be a detailed video of me showing you guys how I do that. Anyways, first I'm going to start out by cleaning my forehead area with alcohol. Of course, if you have sensitive skin, you can use like witch hazel or some type of lighter cleaner for your face, skin cleanser I mean. So yeah. Okay, let me stop. Oh my god, this is why you don't be in a rush. This is why. Waste the glue. So this install method that I'm doing, I will not be doing got to be glued, because I found that to really not last long. So I decided to use Ericka J's tutorial, and I'll be sure to link that as well. She says to use 3 to 7. I know that's a lot, 3 to 7 layers of glue, but currently I've had this installed for 2 weeks and I have no lifting. I've had to go back and like, you know, tweak a few things here and there as far as my sides of my frontal goes, but that's about it. If you want your install to really last you like a month or two, then this is the tutorial to follow, and I will link the video below that I followed.
Take a look, Ashton.
Now I am gonna set everything in place with my Got to Be Free spray, just a little bit of mist, just to kind of give it that extra oomph for it to stay there, and then I'm gonna further dry it to set everything in place for 10 extra minutes. So now I'm going to be going in with an oil-free foundation, and I'm going to be matching my skin tone. And I found using a cotton ball a lot easier to blend it to help melt further into your skin tone. So if you haven't seen my previous video of me coloring this unit, go watch. I will link that below as well. This is my peppermint unit, and I put hair tinsel in it. It is available on my Depop shop for remake. So now I'm going to go in with my EBIN in dark brown. This is my lace tint spray. I sometimes like to switch it up with that, and so I'm gonna be using dark brown and I think medium brown or something like that. So I put 2 different lace tint sprays on here, and I kind of do that with my foundation too. I have to mix them together because I have so many undertones, and it's crazy. Like
Take a look, Ashton.
Being a brown skinned girl, it's so hard to really like find a foundation to match because a lot of them will have like I was excited ash tones and stuff, but and they make you look dead too. Like I don't like that. So this was the only skin protector that I had. It's called Trina the Dream Weaver. I used her glue before and I wasn't really a huge fan of it, but this came with it and I don't know why I'm trying to show you guys the ingredients. It's basically just alcohol. But you want to make sure you use a skin protector on your skin. So yeah. And this is the part where I'm going in and I'm using 3 to 7 layers of glue for maximum results. You also want to make sure that each layer is dry before you're going back in and putting like the next layer on. It dries clear and it dries pretty easy, so it's pretty simple to indicate when it's dry.
Take a look, Ashton.
So I went ahead and laid everything down and I used like a piece of elastic. You can get them from Walmart for like $2, like a few 100 yards of elastic, and use that. That's the best thing for me, in my opinion, that I use, that I've seen better results with. And I'll sit under my dryer for about 45 minutes to an hour. So I am really not good at laying my baby hairs, but I'm gonna do my best. Like I said, you guys, I'm definitely a novice when it comes to installing my own wigs myself. I'm used to just coloring them and wearing them glueless, to be perfectly honest. So I'm just now getting out of my comfort zone to really install wigs, and I'm okay with that because I'm learning every day. All you gotta do is get out there and try. So I really hope this tutorial helps you guys with that. Anyways, back to the video. Oh, I thought I heard something, so I closed my door because I'm a scaredy cat.
Take a look, Ashton.
using Ericka J's Fluff stuff and a little bit of Got to Be Glued spike gel, the one in the black tube, to do my baby hairs. And again, I'm not the best at laying my baby hairs on myself. I don't know why. It's just weird for me. I don't know if it's like my dexterity or whatever it is. It's just weird. And I will say, I wouldn't recommend using Got to Be Glued for your baby hairs. I would buy her Ericka J's styling gel glue on her website, or just stick to using like foam, like something like Lotta Body or hers. Okay, I see you serving a little scalp, Tammy. You know, I just gotta get these baby hairs down pack and I'll be good to go. And I have a really small head, you guys, so I know it looks like I really put this wig like close to my eyebrows, but my head is small, so please don't judge me. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap my baby hairs up and sit under the dryer for another 45 minutes.
Take a look, Ashton.
And these are my end results. I think on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm feeling her. I'm definitely feeling her. I'm about at an 8 or a 9 with how I did with my install. And I went ahead and I did my makeup too. I kind of wanted to do like a Christmas theme, so it's kind of out of the box, but I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you guys think of this look. Let me know what you guys think of this color. And if you'd like a unit made by me, if you'd like a hair candy made, hit me up on Depop or email me at yvonshaircandy@yahoo.com. And don't forget to press subscribe and hit that like button.
I ain't gonna compromise my own sanity for entertaining energy that don't